I'm McLovin. Woo! I am McLovin. Woo!
Gangstas, what's up, guys?
Break yourself, fool!
Yeah, man, we're gonna get our drinks on, we're gonna party and get crunk and rock out, dude. It's in. Oh my god, it's in. I am McLovin.
Oh, we're so gonna get laid tonight. We're finally gonna get our drinks on. Chicken, chicken, yeah!
I was just walking down the hall, and Nicola was right in front of me. She was wearing these tight white pants with this black G-string, and you could see right through the pants, man. It was so sweet. I got a boner. At lunch, I'm going to the same place Mike Snyder went to pick up my brand new fake ID. Chica, yeah, fake ID, outside. Have you actually ever met anyone named McLovin? It's not the going with the ladies I care about. It's the coming. It's not the going with the ladies I care about. It's the coming. Fuck you. Fuck you. What?
Hello. Peace. Because I fucking rule.